ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯎꯁꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯈꯣꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅꯤ. Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the fourth chapter of class 8's English, Courage in the Struggle for Human Rights. So what do you mean by human rights? Human rights are those rights which we all human beings have. It doesn't matter where you live, where you come from, what is your sex, whether you are a boy or a girl, so whether you are a Meitei or a Pangal or a Tangkhul or any other tribes or race. So whatever language you speak, whatever religion you believe, you may be a Christian or a Muslim, Hindus or simply a Meitei who believes in the Meitei religion. So every one of us is entitled with these rights. So in short, human rights are the rights every human should have. So for example, say right to equality. We are all equal and we should be treated equally as others. So this is what right to equality means. And right to life. So I am a human and I have the right to live. So nobody has control over my life. So that is right to life. Then right to freedom. So we are all free human beings. Nobody is slave to anybody. So we are all masters of ourselves. So these are some examples of human rights. But many a times these rights are violated by some cruel individuals or some cruel government. For example, when there was a British rule in India, many Indians were tortured by the British. The British government of those days so illegally punished many of the freedom fighters. So those were examples of violation of human rights. Not only in India, it happened all over the world. In different parts of the world, people are tortured in many ways. So violation of human rights has always been a major problem through the ages. The majority of the people do not have the courage to fight with such violation of human rights, but sometimes, somewhere, some courageous men and women stood up and fight against such kinds of violation. In this chapter also, we are going to learn about two such great humans who fought against such violations of human rights. The first one is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation of India. And the second one is a lady named Rosa Parks, who later became the inspiration of many of the black people. So let's see the first story. The first story is about Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi was traveling to Pretoria, the capital of Transvaal, which was a province in South Africa during the British rule. But in modern South Africa, there is no Transvaal, but Pretoria is there. Pretoria is there being the executive capital of South Africa. So he was in South Africa, he was going to Pretoria. So he boarded a train, entered a first class compartment with his first class ticket. Then what happened? A white passenger entered the compartment. So he was not happy seeing Gandhi because Gandhi had brown skin. Gandhi was brown. During those days, the British had divided the people according to the color of the skin. So in that system, the white were on the top, whereas the black people, the original people of the South Africa, and brown people like people coming from India, they were at the bottom. So the whites were enjoying while the blacks and the browns were suffering. So they were not even allowed to travel in the first class compartment of the train. So the white passenger was not happy seeing Gandhi sitting there in the first class compartment. So he was being a white passenger. He hated that someone who is brown in color is going to sit next to him. So he complained to the railway official. So they told Gandhi to move to the van compartment, which is the third class compartment. But Gandhi refused. Gandhi told them that he had a first class ticket, so he is going nowhere. So he is not going anywhere. He is going to Pretoria, sitting in the first class compartment. Then a constable came and threw Gandhi and his suitcases on the station platform. So Gandhi and his belongings were thrown out of the train. So he sat through the night, shivering and meditating. So he was thrown out. Soon after that, Gandhi introduced the first lessons of Satyagraha in South Africa. So he started the movement of Satyagraha. Then what is Satyagraha? Satyagraha means the non-violent movement Gandhi started to fight the British. So truth and non-violence were the weapons he used. Truth and non-violence. But he fought for the rights of his fellow countrymen in South Africa. But later on, he used the same technique of satyagraha, using those two weapons of non-violence and truth during the movement of the freedom of India. So that's the first story about Mahatma Gandhi, how he stood up against the violation of human rights. The second story is about a lady called Rosa Parks. So it is about an incident that took place in an American town called Montgomery, so which is in Alabama state. The state is called Alabama. So here in India, we have different states like Maharashtra, Manipur, Nagaland. Just like in America also, they have lots of states. So there is one state called Alabama, and in the state there is a place called Montgomery. So it happened in the year 1955 in December in Montgomery. So Rosa Parks, she was an ordinary woman working in a dressmaker shop. P Shemba ko adugumba aham amada P tubo khopa tobong hum amada thabak shuba nupi amani ko Rosa Parks. So she was coming back from her work after finishing her work. So she was very tired and wanted to take rest. Rosa walked to the bus stop and got on a bus. There were many vacant seats, so nobody was sitting there. The bus was almost empty. So she paid her fare and sat down in the nearest seat. The bus was nearly empty, as I have said. Rosa felt very happy. Why? Because her feet were very tired and she was very happy to be seated. So she was feeling very happy, satisfied after she was sitting in a seat. But there was a strange rule during those days in America. The rule was very simple and clear. Black passengers had to give up their seats while white passengers came in. So they had to get off the bus and go round to the back door. They could not get on the. They could then get on the bus and travel as a standing passenger. They were not allowed to sit if there is a white person standing there. So they have to give up their seat. That day, all the sitting black passengers gave up their seats except Rosa. Rosa was not giving up her seat. So she did not seem to notice what was happening. So a white passenger stood at the door and looked at her. There was a white passenger looking at her. So the white passenger wanted her to give up her seat and move back so that he can sit. So still, she did not move. She sat still. So other passengers grew impatient. So they gave her angry looks. They were angry. They muttered curses at her. So they were like, why is she not getting up? This black woman, this black lady should get up and move to back. She should let the white guy sit on her place. But Rosa sat still. She was thinking, why should I get up? I have paid the same fare as the white passenger has paid. My ticket is not a cent cheaper than his. And I am more tired than he is. So he is neither old nor disabled. So he is fit and fine. So why should I give up my seat? He is asking for this seat because he is white. That can't be right. So at that moment, Rosa made a decision that she would challenge this inhuman law. Now, when Rosa did not get up, the driver got angry. The driver, if he let her sit in and left a white passenger standing there, he was breaking the law. So he, the driver, and his company could be punished for it. So he got up from his seat, from the driver's seat, and ordered Rosa Parks to get up and go back. But Rosa did not move. She did not get up. The driver got off the bus and brought the police in because he was very angry. Then they arrested Rosa and sent her to jail. The news of Rosa's arrest soon spread all over the town. The black people of Montgomery decided to fight for her, to fight for Rosa, for her to come out of jail. They boycotted the buses. This means no black passengers will use the city buses until Rosa is free. So no black passenger was going to use the buses until Rosa is set free. So instead, they went to work in private cars and shared the cost of taxis. So the Montgomery bus boycott went on in this way for more than a year. It lasted exactly 381 days. So during the boycott, the bus company lost millions of dollars. They lost lots of money. This was because there were many more black bus users than the white bus users. Many of the bus users were actually black people. So without black people, without black passengers, buses ran almost empty with only some few white passengers. Meanwhile, Rosa Parks was tried in a court of law. She was produced in a court. The judge ordered her to pay a fine. He said she had broken the law of segregation. So what is law of segregation? Law of segregation means the law of dividing the people into various kinds. So you are white, you are black. So, but is that good? No. So dividing the people according to the colors and saying that white can do this, black cannot do that. So is that good? No. So Rosa's lawyer advised her not to pay the fine. Then they went to the higher courts and finally to the highest court, the Supreme Court. The judges of the Supreme Court said that segregation was unlawful in public transport services. They said that it was against the law of the country. So the judges of the Supreme Court agreed with Rosa Parks. They said that the division of people is unlawful. It is bad, and it should not be there in public transport systems like buses. So Rosa Parks inspired millions of people. She began the Black Americans people fight for fairness and justice to all the human beings. So Americans call Rosa Parks the mother of the Black civil rights movement. So what is civil rights? Civil rights are the rights of a country's citizen, black or white. You are the citizen of the country, so you are as much as important as others. So the story was amazing, right? So खतंग टेंशन ना मनपुरी दा हायरबदा कोई समराइज तौरबदा को फर्स्ट स्टोरी दु कनागिनो महात्मा गांधी की कइदोइनो महात्मा गांधी दो ही ट्रैवलिंग टू प्रिटोरिया मा प्रिटोरिया चलिनी को कइदो बो चलिनो अदुदि ngसाइगी माना केस अमा लेप चटपनी चैप्टर दु पंदी पंदे बट मदुदा ngसाइगी माना केस अमागी दमकता थबा अमागी दमक चटपो ओइदोइने बट देन white passenger दु मचपो मतम दुदा ngसाइगी मंगोंद कइदोइ white passenger दुना मादि brown ni brown जिगा आइगा फमिन न बहौन दे because in South Africa ai ngसा हाइ खबदो को रूल अमा लै that black passenger gumba se moidi kamai to ge matam da moidi sai moidi amna thina torture to bi makhoi third class compartment gumba tong halli moidi ko first class to bagi chatna bi leiramde so moida white amasung black ki khena ba yam chawna leirami ko daga Gandhi was a brown, so black people, brown people, makhoi di yam torture to bi. That is why he was thrown out of the train. Train degi mabu lang thabi, magi belongings, magi poche lang thabi. Aduga station da ahing do mama sile khan ki. Mabu degi mana saw gi dana, mana kay main to gi matam da. Ma de asem budi amna kam oy mini. Adu targa he stood up ko. Mana nga sai karibu fight to ge khale. Adu mai na anem owang khaido pu differentiation do. Madu bu yaning de madu bu fight to ge na khal aga ko na nga sai gi mana satyagraha haiba movement je haudoki amasung manang sagi magi differentiation do mutat na bukhona ki second story do na kanagen do Rosa Parks na kidoba Montgomery gi lebanu pi amani Montgomery de lebo ko do mana kai gino nga sagi magi action jin na kabain to wi nga sagi bus to de kedo hai makhoi chat na bi tunga bam le mi America gi white people sim na dominant to ba black people sim bu torture to wi ba nam thabi ba ko so bus de kedo hai in the bus moigi black passengers singje they were not allowed to sit in the front ko and again white passenger ama lagta ragadi they have to give up their seat give it to the white passenger the phamhal amaga mana nga sagi maning da chatlaga lepu toiba sit lectraga na sugumba yamna tongan ba strange oiba yakhoigi yamna thajadaba chatna bi am khak lerami ko then again Rosa Parks na kaidowi Rosa Parks de id warabani id kaido haugut kadoino and he is not a disabled madi disabled sunate madi makong soinai ba gumba sunate madi awaba sumandi ahan sunate madi nupi sunate nupani kaido bagi magi damakta phamaw phamalaga wagraba aina kaido wi lefak kadoino id kaidowi id nga sagi ticket chu maga ega chapmanda ba mamol de kakminari ni aigi ticket chena mangon de hongba sunate so why should I give up my seat hana high aduna kaidowi last nga sagi man adum phama laire then again madu the rule na yabra matam the rule na yade that is why the driver called the police and they arrested Rosa Parks adubu kaidowe last the Supreme Court na Rosa Parks to do chummi madumain to was segregation law of segregation dividing the people ko mana white ni mana black ni na divide to bodo madu law of segregation ko wi law of segregation je la aina yade masi inhuman oi haidana Supreme Court na Rosa Parks ki michang changbiraga ngasai gi mabu kanbikre then again what happened people of America began calling her as the mother of black civil rights movement ko maje khogi black singi civil rights ki movement gi di maje mama ni haidana hai ki ko so I hope you like the story